Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on how to convert text to speech in your mobile phone. This feature is very useful as by the help of text to voice feature, you can listen your long messages or emails instead of reading. So for that you need to open settings. In settings, go to accessibility. In accessibility, we need to go to text to speech option. Now here click on this gear icon. First we need to select language. Here select your language. Now press on setting of Google text to speech. Here you can change the settings as per your requirement. If you are only using mobile data and you don't use Wi-Fi connection, then you need to uncheck this setting. If you want to listen text little loud, then select this option. Now after selecting language, you need to select one more option. In accessibility, you need to go to select to speech. Press on this option. Now enable this option. Press on OK. Now this little button will appear on your screen. You can drag this button anywhere on your mobile screen as per your convenience. Now I just show you how this feature works. I have opened a WhatsApp message. To listen this WhatsApp message, you just need to press on this icon and select the message.
Hello, how are you? I will be at your office tomorrow 11 a.m. with all the required documents.
So as you can see, it has converted a WhatsApp message into voice. So like this, you can listen any text message or email in your mobile device very easily. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.